Hi guys, we're back with more about table or templates. So I am in my Series 3 digital templates. I'm using the Joyful color palette. And if you watch the walkthrough video that I made, I did a walkthrough video of my Series 3 notebooks and templates side by side so you could see the differences of everything. But one of the things that is in the templates, that is included in the templates, okay, is a table of contents. You can see it's in the information. It's in the information, which is right after the cover. I give a table of contents. So, and then I give divider tabs, okay, what are all linked. Everything is linked. And I'm going to tell you how. So when you have templates, I already did a video on just like how to use templates, like take a piece and put it somewhere. Think of it like, loose leaf papers, just putting them wherever you want or putting a few together to build something. But what if you want to use a table of contents and divider tabs with your templates? I'm going to show you today how to keep all of that intact. And it's very easy, okay? This is what you're going to do. So if you watch my other video, this might be a little duplicate. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go in. I'm using Goodnotes, so you're going to have to adjust this process to whatever it is that you're using. But you're going to want to go into Goodnotes and you're going to want to click New, Quick Note, and just go with it, okay? Just click a quick note. All right, so now you just have this untitled draft. And so what I'm going to title this, I'm going to do templates with index. Yeah. And then I'm going to click done. And that is what it is. Okay, so we're just going to leave that there. I'm going to move it. All right. Now you have a fresh copy of your templates. So the templates are meant to be like a reference, a resource for you, so you can take from it and build other things, right? That is what it is. Think of it like that. So you're going to definitely want to make sure it stays intact. All right. Or you can always download a fresh copy and then it's all intact. All right. But anyway, for today, we're going to go into the templates. We're going to go into thumbnails. All right. You are going to click on these three dots. We're going to select pages. All right. You are going to just do this. Just trust me, trust me, trust me. You are going to select all of the templates and all of the divider tabs. Just like that. It's the first 35 pages. Easy peasy. Okay. Now you're going to come over here. Wait, no, it's over here. And you're going to click copy. Okay. So it's copying. Just keep it all intact. It's going to take a tiny bit just because. Okay, so we've copied those pages. We've copied 35 pages. Now you're going to click done. All right. Now you're going to come over to this little templates with index. You're going to tap on the three dots and you're going to click add page. Now you want to add before this page. You want to add all of them before this page. And now you can see it says paste pages. We're going to do that. Okay, and there they are. Now we're going to go in and I'm going to delete that little dummy. Oh, it took me there. I'll just delete it here. I'm going to delete this little dummy page because you don't need it anymore. We're going to move it to trash. Trash. Now, when you come up to your index or your thumbnails, you can see everything we copied is right here. Okay. Now, oh my gosh. Now you can see, hang on. We're getting there, guys. Now you can see everything is linked. All the links have remained intact. So if you want to use the index, you can. Now we're going to take it a step further. All right. And we're going to delete. Actually, I'm going to do this. I'm going to select, I'm going to delete. Ooh, do I want to do that? Yeah, because it's templates. Yeah. You have a choice. You have a choice. You can keep, right, all of these, but it's kind of, oh, excuse me, it's pointless because they don't go anywhere, right? I only kept them so that the links would stay intact. So we're going to delete these. We're going to delete that as well. And you know what? We're going to delete the cover page. Okay, we're going to delete all of them. So the only thing you have left is the table of contents and then the divider tabs. Move to trash. Okay, done. We're going to go here. You can see everything now is linked. Okay. Now you can take it a step further and you can, so like I had added extra pages after the divider tabs just to make it easier. Like for my customers, if they wanted an extra page to list, like what the content, like what's behind, but you can delete these because these are actually templates too that you can have, like you can delete them. So let's just delete them. So we're going to go every other, we're going to delete them. Boop. All right, so we're going to delete these. Okay, so now you can see you have your table of contents, you have your 12 tabs, right? And it's all hyperlinked. All right. So now you can, what you can do is you can go into your templates and start building. Like if you want to have, if you want 12 subjects, right? You could go in here, write everything out. Everything's going to link, and then you could start building your notebook. So let's just say I wanted to add these medium line notes after the 9th section because it like color coordinates. We could do that. So here we are in the 9th section. We're going to paste that page after. Okay. Excuse me. So now you see there's the 9th divider tab, and then there's the new page we added, and it'll take you right there. You can take it a step further. So you can see, like when you're in a notebook, oh my gosh, I exited out of my notebook, didn't I? 2026, where's my work notes? Okay, so like when you're in a notebook, everything is hyperlinked for ease. So like wherever you are, you can get back to home. Wherever you are, you can get back to your templates. Wherever you are, you can get back to your index. But when you're using templates, you don't have that ease, which is why we're going over this today. So that way, if you did want to, you could put a link on these to take you back to the index, right? So if you wanted to, you could take it a step further and you could, let's just do it. What should we call it? We'll just call it index, add link. We want to go link settings, link to document, this document, let's choose the page. We want to go to page 1. Okay. Now, what do we want to give that? It gives you a link, and you can also change the content. So let's give it a little home icon. So go down to your emojis, tap on your emoji, select home. Okay. Well, we're going to do it anywhere. We're just going to select home. All right, click done, click return. There, I've added a little home. So now this will take, oh my God. So now this will take you home. So technically, whatever you decide to put there, you could copy it and paste it on all of, I'm not going to paste it on all of them, obviously, but I'm doing this to show you that you could technically do that. So you could like internal link, so that way all of your tabs, you could get back to the table of contents quicker. Okay. Anyway, it's just those little things that kind of help, make it easier to maneuver, easier to, do things. Some people use templates like for, like a couple pages, and some have like, an entire, they could have 50 to 100 pages in here. So it's just, I hope this has been helpful. I hope, one thing, if you do decide to use this and keep this templates intact, I would do it one time and create a master copy of it and just like put it in a folder. Okay, so this templates, where do we go? I would just go down here and I would duplicate it like that. And then I would say master. I would rename it. And that way you always have a fresh master copy, and then you're the one you're working in. So anyway, I hope this helps. I hope you have a wonderful day.